Before starting this chapter, check what version of LCD you have. I have version A. The PE fasten symbol is located on the top left hole. So here we will follow the instructions of the version A assembly. There is no functional difference between the LCD boards. Prepare LCD, LCD cover, LCD support left, LCD support right, and reflector sticker set. We will also need 4 screws M3x8, 4 nuts M3MS, and 1 PE fasten 6.3 by 0.8. Insert 2 M3MS nuts into the LCD support left and LCD support right. Peel off one of the reflector stickers. Place the sticker into the gutter of the LCD cover. Place the LCD support right onto the USB connector side of the LCD board. Insert the LCD with the LCD support right still hooked on into the LCD cover. Make sure that the hook on the LCD support right holds onto the LCD now. Secure the LCD support right and the LCD board with the M3x8 screw. Attach the PE fasten on the top left hole in the LCD. Secure it with M3x8 screw. Attach the LCD support left on the LCD board and align it with 2 holes in the board. Secure both parts together with 2 M3x8 screws. And do not forget to remove the LCD protective film, because I did and now we have to go back and do it. Take PE cable 460 by 420, LCD cable, LCD knob, and 4 M3x10 screws. Connect the LCD cable to the LCD board. Take the end of the PE cable with a square connector and slide the connector onto the PE fasten all the way down. Attach and push the LCD knob onto the LCD encoder pin. There are 4 holes in the front plate of the printer's frame. Insert 4 M3x10 screws through each of them from the inner side. Guide the LCD and PE cables under the front plate to the frame. Attach the LCD assembly onto the front plate. The screws should fit into the corresponding openings in the LCD assembly. Guide both cables through the cable clips on the inside of the frame. Prepare PSU cover, 2 M3x10 screws, 2 body power cables, 1 power penny cable, and 4 zip ties. Place the printer so that you have easy access to the bottom side of the PSU. Remove the left screw on the PSU circuit board. Place the single end of the PE cable into the same place you have removed the screw. Secure the cable by reusing the screw together with the washer. Guide the PE cable so that it does not interfere with the threaded column under the PE connector. To connect power cables you have 2 colors. Red is positive and black is negative. Take 2 red wires and slide the 4 connectors all the way into the first 2 positive terminals from the left on the bottom of the PSU. Make sure the steel washer is above the fork connector and point the bent part of the fork upwards. Firmly tighten the screws. Now take black wires and slide them all the way into the last 2 negative terminals. Make sure the steel washer is above the fork connector. Connect the power penny cable into the PSU. Use the side with the black connector at the end. Place the PSU cover over the power terminals. Make sure the Prusa logo is facing upwards. Attach the cover by using the 2 M3x10 screws through the marked openings. Take a look from the bottom of the PSU and guide all the PSU cables through the cable clips. Slide the zip tie through the circular hole in the frame to create a loop on both sides of the frame so that the cable goes through both loops. Carefully cut off the remaining part of the zip tie. Find the next hole and connect the zip tie. Guide the Z-axis cable and all cables from the PSU through the zip tie. Place PE and power cables at the bottom of the bundle. Continue guiding the cables towards the X body. Include the Y motor cable into the bundle. Find the next loop for the zip tie and repeat the process. Carefully guide and fold the LCD cable under the cable bundle, but do not include it in the bundle. Guide the PE cable from the LCD through the cutout in the frame and include it in the cable bundle. Secure the cable bundle with a zip tie. Guide all cables from the PSU through the cable clip. Leave the ends of the cables free for now. Connect the X motor cable to the first slot from the left on the top of the X body. Connect the Y motor cable to the second slot from the left on the top of the X body. Guide the cable alongside the X body box over the zip ties. Take 4 power terminal screws, 1 M3x6 screw, 1 M3W washer, and 3 zip ties. Attach the PE cable connector to the right lower screw hole in the body box. Secure the cable with the M3W washer and the M3x6 screw. Tighten the screw firmly. Guide the PE cable so that it does not interfere with the threaded hole under the bodyboard. Connect the power panic cable to the white connector on the bottom of the bodyboard. Connect the PSU cables into the bodyboard in this order, starting from the left with the first pair of the PSU cables. Red power cable positive, black power cable negative, red power cable positive, and black power cable negative. Secure all power cable connectors with the terminal screws and tighten them firmly. Guide the cables from the PE cables, PSU cables, and power panic cable around the left cable clip from the right side. Guide the LCD cable and motor cables in between the right cable clip and the frame. Push the zip tie through the frame under the Z motor left. Guide the Z motor left cable through the cutout in the frame to the body box. Carefully tighten the zip tie and cut off the excess. Connect the LCD to the slot on the right side of the body. The LCD must be covering the cable bundle. Connect the extruder main cable to the slot in the right side of the body. Place the extruder cable above the LCD cable. Tighten the cable bundle with the 2 upper zip ties, but do not over-tighten them. We have completed the LCD assembly.
If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any words to say, drop a comment down below in the word box.
Click on the next video to start Y carriage and heat bed assembly.